Good morning, dear investors. So welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, Bella House tour naman po tayo. So Bella has 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, complete house turnover with tiles, partitions, ceiling, and pwede rin po kayong magpalagay ng carport and balcony. Ang floor area po niya ay 53 square meters and minimum lot area of 88 square meters. For the kitchen counter and flooring, naka-ceramic tiles na po siya. For the toilet and bath, complete fixtures na rin po siya with tiles upon turnover. And for those who are asking kung pwede pa po kayong mag-extend, yes, possible pa po kayong mag-extend since maluwag pa naman po ang vacant lot. And dito naman po sa second floor, nandito po ang 2 kwarto at isang toilet and bath. Ang flooring po natin dito sa second floor ay vinyl tiles. Ito yung ating bedroom 1, kasya dito yung bed frame na double bed. With outlets na rin po yan and meron na rin pong outlet for AC. Ito naman po yung ating bedroom 2, kasya po dito yung single bed and bunk bed. Ito naman yung ating toilet and bath, complete fixtures po and with tiles na po siya. For more details and site tour, contact nyo lang po ako sa naka-flash sa screen. This is Girlie Lagman and I'll see you on my next house tour.